Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So recently Nothing has confirmed the launch of Nothing Phone 2. There are several reports coming regarding that. Before getting started, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. So the Nothing Phone 2 will debut in the second half of 2023. It means this year. This year the Nothing Phone 2 will come with 120Hz fast refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, and there is a new build and design with Nothing OS 2 with Android 13, and it will come with 3 years of security and Android patches. Along with that, there is a rumor that it will come with Snapdragon 8 series new processor. So that will be very amazing to see that Nothing is finally going to we have a flagship smartphone this year. And the CEO of Nothing is already confirmed that the Nothing Phone 2 is way costlier than the Nothing Phone 1. So now it's about to see what is the cost and what are the features that the Nothing going to provide. Thank you and subscribe for more.